I'm currently out in the woods, and right now I have a portable battery pack that has a solar panel and a hand crank to generate me electricity. And this is the main features. It obviously has a solar panel, but it also has a hand crank thing that just comes right out. It also has a compass and a whole bunch of cables, plus a wireless charging pad. If you thought that was it, you're wrong, because this has lights and a whole bunch of USB stuff, so you can practically charge a whole bunch of different things. And this is really high quality and a really big battery, as you can tell. The solar panel definitely isn't the greatest because it's a really small surface area, so it can't create that much electricity. But there's also the hand crank generator, and it definitely works better than the solar panel, but still, it's not great, especially compared to how big the battery is. Now, the feature that I definitely hate most is this. Not the hand crank, but the cover. Because the cover, you can't take off. It's always there. You have to use two hands in order to use a hand crank, because you have to hold this down, otherwise it just gets in the way. It comes in a few different colors. I got blue, but they're all really good. But now I can leave my phone to charge when I'm out doing stuff. And that just sitting on the ground is generating electricity. Plus, this thing is literally like the size of my phone, as you can tell here. So I'm back, and what I did not realize while recording that was this actually can be taken off. I'm just about to show you how. Okay, so sorry if the lighting is like really bad, but this can be taken off, and all you really need to do is to first take this off. It's gonna be really hard the first time, but you just take it off, and then take this thing off too, and then you just like put this aside, and then put this on the right? But put this back, and then it would just work then like this, except for I figured out just for making this video, when I did it this time, it just won't go back in anymore. Like, it worked the first time I had it, but I think I broke it. So if you want to keep this, maybe don't do this. So,
now, I wouldn't be making this video if it wasn't a really good product, which this thing is. Now, I'm not even sponsored by the company, although they could sponsor me. I do have an affiliate link, though, which means for the same cost to you, you can support me, because otherwise the money is just going to Amazon. So I wanted to make this video short and simple so I can show you this product. Now, I'm definitely going to be putting this in many other videos, like powering my greenhouse.